Namaskar, welcome to Sunil's Hindi channel. In today's lesson, we will learn consonant-consonant combination. We will learn here how to join a consonant with another consonant. There are a few types of consonant-consonant combination. First is the consonants with a vertical line at the end. The second one is consonant with a tail. Third one is retroflex consonants. And the fourth one is the consonants the and her. We'll take them one by one. Let's take consonants with a vertical line at the end. Here you can see a significant number of consonants have a vertical line at the end. So you can see here K has a vertical line, G has a vertical line, Gh has a vertical line, Ch also has it. I'm just going to mark the consonants that have vertical line at the end. Ch, Nya, Rna, Ta, Th, Dh, N, P, B, Bh, M, Y, L, V, Sh, Sh, S. So here you can see that all these consonants have a vertical line at the end. When these consonants are joined with the other consonants, this vertical line is dropped. Let's take some examples. So here you have th that joins with y. To write th, you write th because it's going to join with y. So you drop this vertical line and write y. This is th. This is th. A consonant without a vertical line is called half consonant. So this is called half consonant, half the. So this is called half the. Next one, pta. So you write p because it's going to join with the next consonant th. So you drop the vertical line and write th. This is pta. You have half p. You have here half p. Half p. Nd, nd. You write na because it's going to join with the other consonant, so you drop the vertical line and connect it with the. It's the. It's nda. So half na. And the last one here is lv. You write l because it's gonna join with the next consonant v. Drop the vertical line and join v. So this is half la. This is called half la. Let's take some words. So here I have taken some words where you have consonant and consonant combination. When consonant comes right after the consonant without a vowel. So here you have the name Divya. So it's V-ya. Here another name Katya. Th-ya. And there Hindi. Na-da. And then you have the word Pakistan. So you have sta, sata, Volga, laga, Sanya, naya, and Malta, la-ta. So let's start with Divya. You write the has short e, di. Then you have consonant v, but v is going to join with the y. So you take away the vertical line and write y. And y has a long a. So Divya. That's how you write Divya. Same with Katya. K has long a, ka. You have the, but the is going to join with the next consonant y. So you take off the vertical line and join it with the y. And y has a, long a, Katya. Hindi. Her has short e. And then the next consonant is na. But again, na is going to join with the. So you take off the vertical line. You write half na and then add the. And the has a long e. Hindi. Let's take the next one, Pakistan. So pa has long a, pa. Then you have next consonant ka. Ka has short e. Paki. Then you have sa. but sa is going to join with next consonant the, so you need half sa here. So what you do is take off the vertical line and join it with the, and the has long a, ta and na. Pakistan. Let's take the next one, Volga, la ga combination. So va has o ki matra, like o diacritic, vo. Then you have la, because it's going to join with the next consonant ga, so you take off the vertical line, and join it with next consonant vol, ga, and then ga has long a, Volga. Let's take another word, Sanya. You have sa has a ki matra, long a, sa. You have na, but na is going to join with next consonant ya, so you take off the vertical line and join it with the ya, and ya has long a, Sanya. And Malta, you write ma has a ki matra, long a, ma. Then you have la, because la is going to join with next consonant ta, you take off the vertical line and write ta, and it has long a, Malta. So I'm going to write them again. So this, what I did is I wrote the vertical line and then took it off. You can simply not write it, so I'm going to write all the words again. Divya, di vya. Katya, ka ya. Hindi, hi di. Pakistan, pa ki stan. Volga, vo ga. Sanya, sa nya. Malta, ma ta, Malta. Let's now take the consonants with a tail. There are three consonants that have a tail. So k has a tail and p has a tail. The Perso-Arabic consonant f also has a tail. So here we will learn how to make half consonant out of these consonants with a tail. To join this consonant k, p and f with next consonant, you need to write them half. How do you make k, p and f half? So what you do is you cut the tail here and join it with the other consonants. So you write k and you cut the tail here. You write p and cut the tail into half. You write f and cut the tail into half. These are the half consonants. So k, p and f. That's how you write half consonants. That's how you write half k, half p and half f. Let's take some words with half k, half p and half f. Let's see how do we write k. So you write k and take off the half tail and join it with ya. This is k. So k, ya, k. Let's see how to write f. You write f, take off the half tail and join it with next consonant th. This is th. Th. Let's take some words with half k, half p and half f. So let's write these three words: kya, pakka and hafta. Kya means what? You will come across this word a lot. So you write k, then you cut the tail into half and join it with ya. And ya has a ki matra, so kya. So that's how you write kya, pakka. Pa has ki matra, so pa has inherent so you don't do anything. Then you have ka, and the ka is joined by another ka. So the first ka will lose half of its tail, and then join ka, and then ka has long a, pakka. Pa, ka, ka, pakka. Hafta means a week. You write ha has inherent so you don't do anything. Then you write fa, and then you take off the half tail and then join it with ta, and ta has long a, hafta. So ha, half fa, and then ta, and ta has a ki matra, hafta. So that's how you join ka, pa, and fa. The next category of consonant-consonant combination is retroflex consonants. So if you see these 4 consonants, ta, tha, da, dha, they don't have a vertical line and they also don't have any tail. So now we'll learn how to make consonant-consonant combinations with ta, tha, da, dha. The combinations with retroflex consonants are mainly with each other. So they come with each other only. You can write them one above other, like ta, ta, or ta, tha, or tha, tha, da, 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 dha. This is one way of writing, or you can write with halant, ta, ta, or ta, tha, or tha, tha. Da, 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 dha. There are 2 ways of writing the combinations with retroflex consonants. Either you write one above another, or you can use halant. Let's take some words with retroflex consonants. Here are a few words with retroflex consonant-consonant combinations. The first word is bhat. It's a very common surname in India. You write bha and then ta, ta. There's one way of writing it, or you can write bha, ta, ta, bhat. There's another word, muthi, that means a fist. So ma, short u, ta, and then you have tha here, and then long e, muthi. Mu, ta, with halant ta, tha, muthi. And then the next word is adda. That means a place of gathering. The word starts with a vowel, so you write full vowel, a, and then you have da, and then da, ad, and then long a, adda. This is one way of writing it, and then other way is you use halant, adda. And the next one is gadha. Gadha means a hole. So you write ga, da, and then dha, and you have a ki matra, long a, gadha. Or you can write ga, da, gadha. The final category of consonant-consonant combination in this lesson is the consonants the and ha. You can see the consonant the and the consonant ha do not have a vertical line or a tail. So we will learn how to connect the and ha with other consonants. There's no specific way to connect the and ha with other consonants. In old text you can find different kinds of ligatures, but nowadays it's very common to use halant. So what you do is you write the and add halant. You write ha and add halant. Let's take some words with the and ha. Keep in mind the consonant-consonant combination with the and ha is very rare in Hindi. It appears only in Sanskrit words. So I have chosen one word each for these combinations. The first word is vidya. Vidya means education, and you have the combination here, and then second word is Brahma. It's one of the gods in Hinduism, and you have Herma combination here. So let's see how do we write these words. The first consonant is va, and then you have a short ev, and then the, you simply write the and use halant, the, ya, vidya. Or there is another way of writing with a ligature. So V Vidya. So the ligature of the here could be this as well, Vidya. So this, in modern text, this kind of combination is very rare. Let's take the next one, Brahma. So far we haven't learned how to connect ra with other consonants, so just don't bother how do you write bra. We'll do it in the next lesson. This is bra. You write ha with halant and ma and a ki matra, Brahma. The other way, the ligature with ha ma is, and you join ma here, Brahma. So ha ma would be, like I said, these combinations are very rare in Hindi and they appear only in Sanskrit words. So you will not come across them quite often. So let's summarize what we learned today. We learned different types of consonant-consonant combination. The first type was consonant with a vertical line at the end. So here you drop the vertical line to join it with the other consonant. The second type was consonants with a tail. Here you cut the tail into half. The third one we learned retroflex consonants. So retroflex consonants usually come with other retroflex consonants only. And what you do is you just write one below the other, or you can use halant. And the fourth combination was consonants the and ha. Here you have to learn how to write the ligatures, or you can simply use halant. In our next lesson, we will learn consonant-consonant combination with a consonant ra. So how do you connect consonant ra with other consonants? See you there. Namaskar.